Okay, we're about to cut open a tile. My dad is Simmons, he's not a YouTuber, he's got a YouTube channel though, but he's trying to help cut open the tile. And my mom's holding the camera. Somebody else turned it up. Dad's putting it open. That is just that's just what I saw coming. What are you laughing at? Oh, okay.
No, don't touch that.
Well, I'm sorry. We are trying to get it open. I can't touch it. Can you tell me if it gets cut open? If it opens, tell me. That is seriously tight. That tile is seriously strong. Yay! Okay. He's using his razor blade.
All right, what do we got, buddy?
Motherboard. Here's the speaker. Battery. 2025 battery.
Yeah, you could just replace that battery.
The new ones you can.
Huh?
The new ones you can.
You could replace it in this one.
Well, yeah, you could. It wasn't made that way, though.
All you have to do is replace it and glue it back together. Do that just because they don't want me to.
Well,
here's the speaker, the battery. Here's the battery, the CR2025 type I mixed cell. And here's the circuit board. Some microprocessors, the button, and